Software engineer intern, 6 months. At HackerRank, this is a 6-month full-time internship, Jan-June 2022. Please apply only if you're available full-time for the entire duration. If you're happily obsessed with writing great code that will be used by other great engineers around the world, read on this just may be the perfect role for you. HackerRank is looking for high-potential hacker interns to join our team of world-class full-time hackers as we build the most engaged community of developers. The hypothesis: every hacker has a category of challenges that they love, whether they're coding at their level or pushing their limits and learning something new. Life as an intern at HackerRank. World-class mentors, great culture, and amazing people and opportunities to make a difference, all in a real-world scenario, and right at the beginning of your career. If this sounds exciting, read on. Each one of you will be paired with a mentor who will support you throughout your internship. You get to push your code to prod and contribute to meaningful and real-world projects right from your first month. Transparent communication is the key metrics binding all of us here. You'll have access to all the information needed, including the company's progress, every week directly from the executive team. You'll have direct access to all employees in the company and can always challenge the status quo, enabling you to be more data-driven. Whether you're graduating and seeking a full-time position after your internship or hoping to return for another internship next year, you'll be considered for a returning offer during your internship. You get to design your own internship page with your batch. Glance through the previous year's pages to Steps to apply for internship. Solve 3 challenges. Visit Create a resume. Go to HackerRank.com and create a resume there. Only the resumes created at HackerRank will be considered for the internship. There is no time limit to solve these challenges. These challenges are not your standard DSA questions, but simple coding questions. All we want to check is whether you can translate from English to C/C++/Python or Java. This round is not intended to understand your dynamic programming or BFS/DFS skills. But we need to ensure you can code simple programming challenges before we consider you for the next round. Please make sure you mention your HackerRank profile, with which you solved the 3 questions, in your resume. Upload your resume. Come back to this page, scroll down, and apply to the job below only with your HackerRank. FAQs. Is it only for 6 months? Yes, it is a 6 months full-time internship. Is it a paid/unpaid internship? It is a paid internship. Is it a remote/in-office internship? It is a remote full-time internship. I am in my second year of college. Can I apply, or is it only for the final year students? Anyone with the skill set mentioned above can apply. Apply. Be it a first-year student or already graduated. We are looking at someone with the right skill set and passion.